if you encounter a problem in Perplexity and wish to talk to the customer support, then here's how you can do it. So I'm going to close this page, and what you need to do to contact Perplexity is by going to this question mark icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then navigate to Help Center. It will open a Help Center page, and this is usually where you can see a lot of articles about Perplexity. You can also see the FAQ section about some problems that some people might encounter and how to solve the problem. But if you wish to talk to a real person, then you can scroll down and then click the Contact Us button right here. And this is just, another article where it is offering you maybe some way to fix some basic problems in Perplexity. But if you are not satisfied with the answer, you can always talk to the customer support via this email. So you can go to your Gmail or Yahoo Mail account and then send a message about the problem to this email. This is the official email address of Perplexity. And from my experience, sending a message, sending a help to this email, they're usually going to answer a question within a day or two, which in my opinion, very, very slow. But this is available for everyone, even if you're not using the Pro subscription. However, if you're using the Pro subscription of Perplexity, you deserve to get much faster response. So if you are using the Pro version, then you have two other ways to communicate with Perplexity directly. Now you can click on this gear icon, and then under the account section, you want to scroll down. And on the Perplexity section, there are two channels to contact Perplexity. So there is a Pro Discord. This is a simple communication via Discord. You can click the join button and then join the server. And usually they're going to answer your question within, I guess it's less than 1 hour. At least that's from my personal experience, asking some help or asking some questions via the Discord server. And I think that's actually very useful. If you have some quick problem that needs quick solution, then this is the method I recommend. However, if you prefer a traditional way to talk to customer support via chat or email, then you can use this Pro support section and you can click the contact button. What would happen is it's going to open you this window where you can have a chat with a real human. So what you need to do is you have to click the contact support button and you have to select the correct problem or the topic that you want to talk about. Let's say I have a question about Perplexity. Okay, usually it's going to give me some AI answer, AI article, and yeah, that's the typical AI company trying to use AI to help customer, which I think is fair. But if you don't want to get, this kind of message, you can click on this button that says, "No, I need more help." And after that, you have to wait maybe just a few minutes, usually less than 5 minutes, and you should be able to talk to a real person, real customer support from Perplexity. And I actually just done some testing and they are very, very quick. I got an answer in less than 2 minutes. So I do recommend this method if you want to get a quick answer from Perplexity. So yeah, that's basically how you can contact Perplexity and get answer quickly so you can solve the problem and continue using the service. But anyway, if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.